Hi guys, welcome to the active channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make playlist on YouTube. So let's go to YouTube first. Go to top right corner and you'll find here this profile icon or avatar. Then go here, YouTube Studio. Then you'll find here create option. This, click on this and go to new playlist, and then you can write your playlist name here, title, and add description. And you can make this visibility change by clicking on this drop down menu, which can be done by public, private, or unlisted. I'm clicking on private for me and click on create. And then what you can do is you can see here content, like a public content. Then you'll find here playlist. Then you can see your playlist is here. Now what you can do is you can see three dot icon, click on this, get shareable link, and your link is copied in the clipboard. And if you paste it and click on enter, you will go directly on this playlist. Okay, so how to delete this playlist? Click on this and make delete. So this is how you can make playlist and delete playlist in YouTube. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.